Hey guys, Old Beater Cars Workshop. So anyways, this is another project we're working on next. Yeah, one of my favorites, cb750 motorcycle. I also like the CBR, but I don't know what the difference is between the CB and the CBR. I'm not too sure. I think one is just more of a sportier model, I believe. So anyways, yeah, so this one here could be a different kind of cool looking build. I intend on putting a sidecar on it. It's kind of different. Not for racing, but for everyday civilian use, right? So yeah, but one of my favorites. So stay tuned for updates on this project here and others. And yeah, so not really a whole lot. It is a 1/12 scale, Tamiya, of course. So it's a pretty detailed kit. I built it quite a few times, and I always try to do my best to get it looking the best I can. You might do a few little tweaks on it here and there, as you always do. So these are really good kits. I mean, they're not overly complicated to put together and such. So, but they do have quite a few little small parts, and the motors are always super good detailed, of course. One of my favorite things. Yeah. So, anyways, you guys know. Anybody who builds motorcycles knows all about these kits, right? Tedious and the pain has to put together, and you have to scratch your head a few times to wonder where parts and pieces go. Now, Tamiya doesn't do a very good job of instructions for this particular model, from what I remember. And where is the damn manual? One's in Japanese, I guess. So, I wish I had a Japanese girlfriend. That'd be pretty handy. So, yeah, so this is the English model, and gives you all sorts of information about the thing is I like about the Tamiya kits, right? The Tamiya kits in general, is instructions, like the front part of the instruction sheet gives you a little bit of history on the motorcycle itself, which is kind of cool, or the model itself in general. That's one thing I wish that Revell or AMT would do, but I guess this is one of the niches that Tamiya does. I don't know if they do it anymore, but for older kits they do this. So cool stuff. So, but the illustrations are never, the instructions are never ever the best with putting parts where they go, because I've had that problem before many times, and I figure like, well, where this part goes, so you have to go back and forth in the instructions and find out where everything goes, because it is a pain in the ass. It is what it is. So yeah, so then it gives you a little thing here. Actually, I had to actually use this the other day. I forgot to do a couple things, but the camera is supposed to be George. So yeah, little tech tips and how to do certain things and such. But we get so used to doing our models a certain way, and we kind of forget how to do super high detail on certain things, right? But whatever, try new things. So, alright guys, thanks for watching my video, and stay tuned for other builds, like I said before, and such. Alright, take it easy.